Hey there everyone, Akshita here, back again with another video, and in this video guys we are going to learn how to remove spaces from a given string. Guys, this is a previous year asked question in SAP Labs, and what is asking is that you are provided with a string which contains spaces in it, and just you have to return an output without those spaces. As you can see over here, when we have removed all the spaces, just you have to print that same output, just there will be no spaces in it. So without wasting another second, let's get started. So the basic approach what will be that we will be looping around the string and just removing all the spaces, or what will say if a space encounters we will just skip that part. Okay, so let's see how we are going to achieve that. If my s is a variable in which I am going to take an input of string. Okay, now I am maintaining a empty string. Let me say something like remove space string, something like that. Okay, what I will do in this empty string, this empty variable, I am going to keep all that characters without the empty spaces. Okay, so what I will say, I will use for loop for I in s. Okay, so what I will do, if I will use a conditional statement, I is not, what is I not, a space, then simply concatenate it with my that empty variable and just loop it around whole string, and at last give me string without any space. So here we are. Let me give an input first of all. I'm giving the same one, and here we go. As you can see, it shows us I love programming without any space. Now you all must be wondering that we are working in Python, so there must be some hidden trick so that we can do it more easily. Already this code is very less, but yes, as we are working in Python, so we have one more benefit. Additional benefit is that we can also write this complete code just with one line. Are you amazed? Yeah, it is. So what we will do, that as we are taking string, it has a function replace. What it takes, first parameter is what you want to replace. I want to replace the empty string with what? With nothing, like this only. So I will run this, and here I say as you can see. So I hope you like this problem, and please like, share and subscribe for more codes and more programming questions like this. I hope you are enjoying this series and you want more and more videos to come on. So stay tuned and stay safe. Thank you. Bye bye.